Okay, everybody, we're right here at the Latin Grill Express. We're right in the middle of our little plátano verde, plátano maduro lesson, or class. Okay, just to recap. This came from the ripe plantain, the dark one. These came from the green plantain, the unripened one. Okay, so I threw them in the fryer, the two chunks, okay? They were in the fryer for about, they were in there pretty long, for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want to get that color, okay? That is the key, okay? Now, what we want to do here is flatten them out. So, I'm just going to take one of my lids from my line here, and I'm going to just go ahead and smash it. It's that simple. Now, you can use one of them tortilla flatteners, or you can use a dish, or you can use a cup. It's up to you. But here, we're just going to use this for practical purposes. And what we need to do, very important, is once you get these chunks out of the fryer, they need to rest for about another 5 minutes. You can't smash them while they're still hot, or they'll just come apart. So what I did is I did let them rest for like 5 minutes, and there it is, see? Very simple. And you know, I thought we use this lid just to show all our viewers that it's that simple and that practical, and you don't really need any tools, you know, just your two hands, like we were talking about earlier, you know, las viejas en el país, you know what I'm saying? They use their bare hands for everything, you know, that's where all the love in Latino food comes from, huh? From the heart, from the hands, baby. Okay, so there it is. That's why it's twice fried. So, you know, now they're just ready to be thrown in the fryer again. You can let them rest, you can throw them in the cooler, you can even put them in the refrigerator overnight. But if you are going to serve them, it's best, I think, to get that first step, you know, the chunk, fry the first fry out of the way, you know, buy yourself some time. So what we're going to do is throw them back in the fryer. I already took one of these plantains and fried it, and this is the result. It's nice and sweet, very sweet in fact, you know. All that fructose, all that natural fructose, and we'll be back. Show you the end result of the tostón, or tostada de plátano.